I'm going to give you some a basic stuff, and I'm going to give you some sexy stuff. So, easy way first. Easiest way to give a free e-guide is in a follow-up email to purchasers. Now, in Australia, that's a complete unmitigated pain in the arse because there is no software that automates emails for the Australian marketplace yet, but it's on the way, won't take long. I am reliably informed. So right now it's manual. That's the easiest way. Now, here's something sexy. When you send out emails using the automated email system, usually what happens is Amazon will make your links in the emails dead. Now, what that means is, let's see if I can show you on here. So what that means is, see this here, see how when my little cursor gets close to it, it says get ClickBank ID, it goes into a hand. That means that link is live, which means if I click on it, it will take me somewhere. Now that should be underlined, and that's my bad. But that means it's a live link. It actually works. A dead link is where you have to copy and paste the URL into your browser. It's an unmitigated pain in the arse, and very, very few people will do that. So the question is, how on earth do you get a live link in your emails to your customers? Well, turns out that if you use something called Amazon S3 to host your ebook on Amazon Simple Storage, and if you don't know how to set this up, just pay somebody. It'll cost you $5 to get it all set up, all right? It operates off of your Amazon account, so you don't need to create a new account. You just sign up for it's called AWS. Just sign up for AWS, and then you upload your ebook into AWS. That will give you a link that you can then share with people. And that link, because it's an Amazon link, is a live link, which is kind of friggin' sexy. So that's how you get a live link, and that's how you do that to do that. Now, if you want to do it a step further, and you're saying stuff, but Neil, how on earth can I get people to opt in? Well, turns out that there's another way to get a live link too, and that is by having a page on Facebook. Now, God only knows why, but Facebook, for some reason, if you direct your traffic from Amazon to a Facebook page, then you get a live link too. So you should set up a landing page on your Facebook page that will then allows you to opt people in. And you can, of course, tag them with a cookie at that point too. And yeah, so that's the three different ways that can work. There you go. How's that? You're welcome. My pleasure. All right. Sue says, is Diamond Group a new name for the Inner Circle or something new? It's something completely new. I just launched it to folks in my inner circle over the weekend, and pretty much most of the spots have gone, but I think there's 3 or 4 spots left, which I'll be releasing next week. You're welcome, Jenny. My pleasure. Anita, so you can send people to your Facebook page from your follow-up email to your customers via the... Yes, is the answer to that. You can definitely do that. And the way that you would do that, of course, let's just go to Facebookie, and I'm just going to go to, let's just go to Aussie online. Gosh, it's always so dodgy going directly to my Facebook page, just in case somebody's written something very rude on my page. Aussie online entrepreneur, for instance. Page. There you go. So you can set up a page, a page directly through here that will that you can then use as a URL to opt people in, and yeah, you can do it that way, Anita. So you still get because what all Amazon wants is that. Anything after that, like anything here, they don't give a rat's ass about. They just want to see that, facebook.com. They want to see that bit there. As long as you've got that in the URL, they give you a live link, which is kind of sexy. So that's 3 different ways of doing it. And clearly the last one is the best way.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.